your mood may be more closely linked to your DNA than you think. A new study has found that the same genes that make us prone to depression could also make us prone to positivity. Psychologists in the UK and US say that the combination of genetic factors make people more sensitive to their environment, which can lead them to being emotionally affected by it. Professors Elaine Fox, from Oxford University, and Chris Beavers from the University of Texas at Austin reviewed a number of studies based on the genetic influence and emotional states. This study found that overall, genetic and environmental factors have a substantial impact on people's emotional well-being. They say that there is a need to combine studies in mental health genetics with those that look at cognitive biases. Professor Beavers said, cognitive biases are when people consistently interpret situations through particular mental filters. When people have a cognitive bias that emphasizes negative aspects or thoughts, they are more at risk of mental health disorders. There is a lot of research about these biases, and a lot of research about genes that may make people susceptible to mental ill health. However, we suggest that it could make more sense to bring together these two areas of research. Professor Fox said, if you take a gene that is linked to mental illness, and compare people who have the same genetic variant, it becomes clear that what happens to their mental health is based on their environment. We suggest that while no gene causes mental ill health, some genes can make people more sensitive to the effects of their environment, for better and for worse. If you have those genes and are in a negative environment, you are likely to develop the negative cognitive biases that lead to mental disorders. If you have those genes but are in a supportive environment, you are likely to develop positive cognitive biases that increase your mental resilience. Professor Fox is currently carrying out further research into this combined genetic and environmental effect on our mental filters, which she has dubbed the Cog Bias Project, in a program of work funded by the European Research Council. According to the researchers, more testing is needed to see how the interaction between genetics and environment affect emotional well-being, but their model could lead to better understanding of conditions such as depression and even lead to improved, personalized therapies.